everyone, welcome to Cooking Up Love, where we believe sharing homemade food spreads joy and touches lives. We'll teach you how to make delicious food you'll be proud to share with friends and family. On today's show, we're making a family favorite, super tasty, super easy chicken enchiladas with green sauce. Tortillas stuffed with chicken, sour cream, cheese, and salsa verde, then topped with more salsa verde and cheese and baked until the cheese is nice and melty. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. I've picked up a rotisserie chicken from the market and I'm going to debone and shred the chicken. This chicken is very tender, so I'm making sure there's no little bones that might sneak their way into our filling. Enchiladas are one of my favorite things to eat. It's our recipe for those days when you need to get dinner on the table in less than 30 minutes, and with only 4 ingredients, plus any toppings you'd like to add. I'll use either corn or flour tortillas depending on what we have on hand. I always warm them up a bit to make sure they're easy to roll and to prevent them from cracking. While warming the tortillas, it's time to start making the filling. Shred about 2.5 cups of cheese. I'm using a combination of pepper jack and cheddar. Our homemade creamy salsa verde sauce is amazing in this recipe. I'll link that recipe for you up above and in the description. It's so good, we've just run out, so to get this on the table fast, I'm using a prepared salsa verde sauce. The Herdez brand is my favorite. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of sour cream with 1 cup of salsa verde and about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. I like to mix my cheese into the filling, especially when I'm trying to get this dish in and out of the oven as quickly as possible. Add the sauce to the chicken so you have a moist but not too soupy mixture. Today's recipe is listed in the description. And just a quick thank you for the comments and the likes. When you watch and comment on our videos, it helps other people find them, and we really appreciate your help. Okay, time to assemble the enchiladas. Spread a generous portion of chicken filling mixture in the middle of the tortilla, then roll it up. We have new videos every week. Subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we've posted a new one. Place the chicken enchilada seam side down in your oven-safe dish. Fill about 8 to 10 street taco-sized tortillas. Continue making the enchiladas until you've used up most of your filling. This easy chicken enchilada recipe is so flexible, you can customize it to fit the specific tastes of your family and friends. I'll also usually make another smaller dish with just chicken and cheese for the younger kids and top it with cheese. You can also add diced green chilies, black or pinto beans, and switch up the cheese to pepper jack, Monterey Jack, cheddar, or any combination. If you love to entertain, check out our playlist for potluck favorites and appetizer recipes. Pour the extra sauce on top of the enchiladas. You can also spread salsa verde on top if you don't have a lot of sauce left over. Sprinkle with cheese and pop into the 350-degree oven. Everything is already cooked, so the enchiladas bake for only about 20 minutes to warm the dish and melt the cheese. I've added a few slices of jalapeños on top of mine. Once it comes out of the oven, just top with guacamole, sliced avocado, sour cream, crumbled cojita cheese, or set them all on the table and let everyone customize their own. Because these chicken enchiladas are so quick and easy, and because people go crazy for them, it's a fantastic choice for potlucks and of course Cinco de Mayo parties. And the kids enjoy making funny food faces too. Remember to subscribe before you leave so you'll know when we've posted a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.